break when I'm away is start getting these elephant sketches along as well. Start just showing more exactly females are who, especially since the next month or two we should see quite a bit of elephant activity, enough that we can see them hopefully in the our friend crested Franklin we often look at and often hear calling in the background. Oh, amazing sounds now that you can hear fork-tailed drongos, montengos singing their early evening song. The sun is setting around this time. Too much cloud around to see any of it, but you can feel the approach and the darkening of evening. Breeze picked up just as she did that. You suddenly feel the wind picking up, not the wind, the breeze would be the right word. Maybe she smelled something. Obviously not too worried about it. The rest of the herd didn't even pay any attention. She didn't send any messages out. She just paid attention. So no, it's not something to worry about. This isn't on TV. I wish I had the memory of an elephant. The funny animal. Remember I translated that Afrikaans rhyme a while back. Olifant, jou reuse dier. Uncle Elephant, you massive creature. Mense lag vir hul plesier. The people laugh for their delight. En waar het jy al ooit gehoor? It was where have you ever heard? Van 'n dier met 'n stertjie van agter en 'n stertjie van voor. Where have you ever heard of an animal with a tail in the back and a tail in the front? Those two youngsters there as well, just behind mum, using the tails in the front. That's a little nursery rhyme that I've known since before I can remember. We certainly have the front and something you don't see all that often at Gowrie Pan. We're going to go there in seconds. Just we're going to take our break while you're there, and we'll see you back in maybe 10 minutes or so after our break. But for now, there's a surprise for you, Wartall.